Hey, you! Yes, you! Ever wonder why some people seem to attract money like bees to honey, while others can't hold onto a dollar for more than a hot second? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving headfirst into asterisk, the psychology of how money works asterisk. First things first, money doesn't work for you unless you understand its psychology. Money isn't just paper or numbers on a screen. It's energy. It flows where it's valued, respected, and, most importantly, where it's put to work. Let me tell you a quick story. A friend of mine used to say, "I'm just not good with money." Guess what? His bank account agreed. Words have power, my friend. If you treat money like an untrustworthy roommate, it'll pack its bags and leave. Here's the kicker. Money loves clarity. If you don't tell it where to go, it'll wander off, probably to someone who has a plan. So here's your first action step. Write down exactly what you want your money to do for you. Be specific. Want to invest? Pay off debt? Start a business? Give every dollar a job. Don't let it sit around unemployed. Now let's talk about fear. Fear is the number one reason people stay broke. Afraid to invest. Afraid to take risks. Afraid to even look at their bank statements. But here's the truth. Fear is just excitement in disguise. Channel that energy into learning. The more you know about money, the less power fear has over you. Still with me? Good. Because here's the golden nugget. Money grows where it's appreciated and nurtured. Think of it like planting a tree. Invest wisely, water it regularly, and watch it grow into something that provides shade for years to come. Now it's your turn. Take action today. Start small, but start smart. And hey, don't keep this wisdom all to yourself. Hit that like button, subscribe for more life-changing insights, and share this video with someone who needs a little financial wake-up call. Let's grow together!